April wrap-up time. A cozy, energy-smart home. This month I focused on simple upgrades that lower bills, protect health, make daily living easier for mom or dad, plus more comfy for their pets. Benefit first. Less fuss, more comfort. First, the set it and forget it thermostat with Ecobee. With Nest motion schedules do the work, so heating and cooling only run when needed. That's fewer tiny buttons, up to 15% energy savings, and a safer home during heat waves or cold snaps. Great for seniors and pets alike. Next, lighting and shades for aging eyes. IKEA Smart Shades. Philips Hue bulbs can follow the sun. Mornings brighten gently, afternoons cut glare. Night shift warmer to support sleep. I can use a wall button, a voice command, or a simple routine. No apps required once it's set. Kitchen safety, the quiet guardian. iGuard stove can auto-shut the stove if it's left unattended. Pair that with a touchless faucet to ease arthritis and reduce germs. Cooking stays enjoyable and safer. Want to see it all working together? I made a 2026 smart home tour of a senior-friendly apartment. Voice commands, moving shades, whisper quiet air purifier, all in one place. Watch here. Link to your smart home tour. Video here. Pet Parents Day. Tip. Smart cameras like Nest Cam or Ring aren't just for security. Use them for quick pet checks while at appointments. Peace of mind in a tap. Getting started is easy. Pick one room. Set one routine. Thermostat lights. Add one safety device. Stove monitor smart plug. Small steps, big comfort. Affiliate note. Some links help support my research at no extra cost. Thank you. If this helped, tap like, share with family, and subscribe for next month's guide. Visit seniortechsimplified.blogspot.com for the full April recap and setup checklists. See you in the tour.